Hi. Yeah, I'm curious to know as well what's inside this box. What do I have inside here? Ooh, bubbles. Bubbles! Ooh! XGIMI ELFIN projector. Before we start, just like usual, click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Put your comments down below so we can start a discussion, and also don't forget to click the notification button so the next time I upload a video, you'll be notified. So this is it. It's 1080p home smart projector. Has a nice heft to it. In the top left corner, you can see the audio output, 3.5mm jack, I presume. Top right is power input. On the bottom left is HDMI input and USB input on the bottom right. Nice front. That's the infrared sensor. I don't know how effective it's going to be, but sound by Harman Kardon. And the feet, they can be adjusted too. Impressive for something this small. What else inside here? The manual. Oh, it's a pretty thick manual. Power cord. This is the power adapter. And this is the remote control. Ooh, sleek. Nice. There's Google button, input button, settings button, menu. Presumably this is power. Up, down, left, right, D-pad. Home button, volume up and down, and back. So obviously my dog will help me during the process of setting up. So apparently battery is not included with this remote. So good. I just open up at the back here and put two AAA batteries and pray that it will work. For this review purpose, I'm putting the projector on a tripod. So let's start powering up the projector. The projector itself is extremely quiet, and in a split second the power is already on and it's already showing something on the screen. I'm going to turn off the light so you can see this better. By pressing the back arrow and the home button, I'm creating a handshake between my remote to the projector. And here's the setup procedure. To choose the language, because I'm in Canada, so it's English Canada. The music is a bit annoying, but it doesn't really matter. Because I don't have an Android phone, I click skip here. But if you have an Android phone, it will be a lot easier if you just set up this projector using Android phone. So I just have to choose which Wi-Fi network that I'd like to use for this. Choose this one. And I'm gonna continue on after I've put in the password. So when done, click continue. We're doing this in real time, so all the weights and everything like that will be identical with your experience. You have to sign into your Google. Of course, after that, you have to enter your password and click enter again. So of course you have no choice but accept the terms of service, or you cannot use this projector. I always set location to no. Help improve Android? Nope, not my responsibility. I don't want to turn on my Google Assistant. I don't want my talking or dialogue from a TV or a show to mess up with the Google Assistant. And of course over here I have to install Netflix, Disney Plus, Apple TV. I don't care about NordVPN, but then the internet speed test, I need that. So yeah, I just click install all the following apps and click continue. So once you get into the Google TV page, there is the system update here. I'm going to dismiss it for the time being. What I want to do right now is to go to settings and go to projector settings. And I want to fix the keystone correction because right now it looks so weird. So I just press this, press enter, auto keystone correction. It's doing the auto keystone calculation and boom, perfect keystone. Now from here you go back. Of course, in order to run the projector properly, you need to have the latest firmware. So you go to the system update here, click details, and click check for update, and then it's already checking it. Now there's a new version, which is version 2.3.88. You click download, and it's downloading the new firmware automatically, and it's going to be installing it automatically as well. So now that it's finished downloading, it's verifying the firmware update to make sure that there's no error on the download. So when everything is downloaded and verified, you have to restart the projector. Now the projector is restarting. Now it's installing the system update. While doing that, you will lose the keystone correction. However, that's not a problem because once you already have everything set up and installed properly, you just have to press one button and the projector will automatically do everything for you. And it's done. When done, the projector will restart one more time, and as you can see, it shows that startup logo. So the projector restarted and refocusing and do re-keystoning as well. And as you can see, the image itself is now perfectly squared. I can just simply go to, let's say, YouTube. Put it up over there. And there you go. You start using YouTube without needing to have an HDMI cable or anything like that.
Pepsi Zero Sugar, the best tasting zero sugar cola.
So how's the picture quality? It's decent. It's more than decent actually for a portable projector. This is not something that I would put in my home theater to replace my 4K projector. But it's more than decent if I want to use this as a backup projector or also as a portable projector that I can show movies on a door garage or on the side of a fence. Of course, don't expect the quality of my $23,000 projector, but for about 1,000 Canadian or about 650 US, this is decent. This is very good. I can highly recommend it. It's not only about 4K, HDR, THX, DT2020. Yeah, those are kind of important, but the most important part is whether it's fun. And this projector is mighty fun. So what do you think? Are you gonna buy this projector? I know I would. This is actually the very first portable, fun projector that I'm willing to purchase. Share your thought with the comments down below. And don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also, don't forget to click the notification button so the next time I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.